everyone, my name is Daarshini Thannimalay. My metric card number is 10DLS9 2001. Today I'm going to talk about how to the service or product can solve our daily life or field of students. So me and my group members decide to choose about the smartphone. It means a product. Product name is smartphone. Okay, in this world everyone have at least one smartphone in their hand. Not ever the underage or elder or younger did not mean. Everybody have a one smartphone for their daily use. Okay, did you know what is the smartphone? Okay, let's see. A smartphone is an advanced secure communication device that provides endless possibility. Both it can function or its hardware are closely related to a personal computer. Okay, first of all, we're going to see what is the characteristics that involve physically. The first of all is shape. The first of all is shape. Shape is rectangle shape. Most of the smartphone it's be a rectangle shape. Okay, second is size. The size is very thin, very light, did not heavy, because it's easy, can bring for anywhere, easy can keep at handbag or pocket or everywhere. And then the third one is material. The iron 20.47%. The silicon was 24.88%. Aluminium is 14.99%, and 22.99% of plastic was involved to make this smartphone. That roughly for all type of smartphone. And then the final one is color. Color was nowadays the basic color was black, blue, white, red, gray, and many of others. Okay, the second part we're going to talk about the future. The future that smartphone heaven is NFC. Did you know what is NFC? Okay, NFC is near field communications. Okay, what is the near field communication? Near field communication allowed our smartphone to transmit data to other phone and tablets in the witness. It's really handy for sharing picture and music. We can even use it to pay at the store or restaurants. Plenty of great Android or Windows phone of NCF near field communication, but not Apple. Okay, the NCF is like one of the transmit data applications that all type of smartphone have except Apple. It means iPhone. Okay, the second thing is more safely. More safely, how we can say it's more safely is every smartphone have thumbprint, face lock, and password for it keep our phone more security and more personal. Okay, other than more safety is if once we use our location selection, that means if we lost or missing anywhere, The people who find us is easily to get our information from the location the setting. So it's more safely for use this, and we can use as a camera for identify the crimes, for record, and many others. The third one is internet connectivity. Internet connectivity, we can tell like Wi-Fi, data, mobile data, and personal data. It means Oxford. Okay, the smartphone without internet connectivity is, yeah, like human did not have heart. Okay, how the human was important to have the heart for the living, like that also internet for the phone. So the internet from the smartphone we can connect with the Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, and Google, YouTube, and etc. etc. Okay, now we're going to see about the value and solution that we get from smartphone. The first point is using social media. Okay, using social media is the value of getting from smartphone. How? Okay, the solution is can get or can chat or communication with new people, get new friends, and many activity. The social media also give some important news. We can know the world over news and newsfeed, and lot of friends funds and etc. The second thing is can use location track. The solution is like I explained in the feature. The value is we can track one place for the another place for the reach, or we can use the GPS for searching one place. If like we going to something new place or something new area or something new house or anything. And then the third is weather. Okay, nowadays the weather also we can see from the smartphone, like up to date we can get what weather was now, and then after this or 2 days or 3 days weathers in our smartphone. Like we can more safe and more we know about the weather nowadays, what type of weather, and we get the solution and many types. And then okay, in conclusionly, for the normal phone and the smartphone, I prefer for the smartphone, because normal phone can be used for message or calls and some few games and etc. But iPhone, we can track the weather, location, we can use social media, can get new friends and get a new mindset. In type of the students, and they can Google it and search their documents and their presentation or their homeworks, can refer by the internet, the world. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, greetings madam. My name is SOMASUNDARAM from class DLS 3B. My metric number is 10 DLS 19F2054. Okay, today I wanna present about the smartphones. Okay, first I give a small introduction about the smartphones. Okay. A smartphone is a mobile phone, mobile device that combines cellular and mobile computing functions into one unit. After that, I wanna talk about the characteristic of the smartphones. Okay, we have okay. My first point is we have many different features in smartphones currently. For example, triple sensor cameras finally arrived to this smartphone. After that, faster internet with 5G. Okay, then NS privacy protection, and the most important is fully waterproof phones. This is I'm very happy with this feature because after this we no longer have to be afraid if our phone falls in the water. Okay, then my second point is larger than a standard simple mobile phone, like in terms of function, features, and many. Okay, now I wanna talk about the features of smartphones. Okay, my first point is location track. Okay, location track means we can track a location in our smartphone if we needed a direction or even advice on where the closest restaurant, coffee shop, or gas station was. Their phone's location services were seen as a savior. Okay, and then the most benefit from the location track in our smartphone is uh, we can track location by for catch the robberies for at the right time at the right place. Is this is important for our police for our police laws. Okay, my second point is camera quality. Camera quality is very important for our daily usage of smartphones today to take some pictures or videos for our memorable for feature. Okay, uh, I think 6 to 12 megapixel camera or MP in short form is good enough for most normal camera usage and to get a great picture quality. Okay, my third point is a long lasting battery. Okay, on average smartphone phone battery capacities can start from 1700 mAh and can go all the way up to 5000 mAh smartphones nowadays. Okay, is depend on your usage of smartphones in lifestyle. Okay, if you are not heavy on apps and just need something simple anywhere, up to 3500 mAh is enough to use for this lah. So if you are the type who regularly use the apps games, playing the games and use lot of apps means, then a phone with a higher battery capacity is the one is suitable for ours, like 5000 mAh battery like that. Okay, okay, now I wanna talk about the value of smartphones. Okay, my first point is watching movies and listening songs. Okay, through this we can reduce our stress by listening songs, watching movies, watching comedies, and many. Okay, we can also entertain ourselves when we get boring or alone like that. Okay, my second point is capture picture and videos. Okay, this is most important thing because this is make make remember uh, back our memorable days in future. Okay, uh, another most important point is we can submit our assignments by making the videos, pictures, and many. Okay, the solution for the smartphone is uh, now we study online due to this pandemic, so we have to do the a lot of assignments uh, shared by shared by our lecturers. Okay, So very easy and simple to do the videos by using our smartphones, and we can submit our assignments at the right time, at the right place. Okay. Okay, now madam can see the statistic of smartphone and mobile phone usage in the screen now. Okay. Okay, in this statistic we can see the 98% of persons use the smartphones, and just 2% of people using the mobile phones. Okay. Okay, that's all madam, thank you.
My name is Mohamad bin RAMDAN. My matrix number 10DLS 19F 2017. I'm going to show you about smartphone. If you are going to design for mobile, then it's a good idea to have a grasp of what making up the modern smartphone in terms of hardware and software. You can then start to think about the possibilities this offered when creating user experience. The better you know the device, the more you can exploit its capabilities within your product. The smartphone has gone from nowhere in a few short years to become the world's most popular internet access device. A smartphone contains several components, including processor. It incorporates the functionalities of a handheld computer to run different applications, along with the functionalities of a cell phone modem. This chapter shows the different modules of a smartphone and lists different hardware. Mobile computing has never been easier. Now work your way up with multi-windows feature in Jelly Bean 4.1 and above, based on your smartphone. Multi-windows features is a unique feature which allow you to easily work on multiple tasks on one screen. Our smartphone, we have ROM and RAM that we call M memory. RAM stands for random access memory. It does not store information like a memory card. Is it temporary, and all information contained within is lost when you turn off the power. For the ROM is a special type of RAM. This is a type of non-volatile memory. The data remains even in the event of a power failure. Access to all memory cells takes the same time, which is why OS Android officially published its Android version 1.0 in September 2008. It is an initial version of Android operating system. It supports web browser to show HTML and XHTMLs, web page camera access, web email server. The version contains Google Calendar, Google Maps, therefore the operating system has brand with Android 11. In the past, people prefer to read news in newspaper and books because in that era there were no smartphones. Now people prefer to read the news inside the smartphone because it is easier, faster and more detailed. The increase in ebook sales, which has reached $7 million in American company. This clearly shows the people in this era prefer ebooks than reading in newspaper. In conclusion, smartphones have had a positive effect on most, if not all, aspects of society. This is because smartphones have made it easier for businessmen and women to do their work from nearly anywhere in the world because they are easy to carry and have improved multiple office functions. In conclusion, smartphones have had a positive effect on most, if not all, aspects of society. This is because smartphones have made it easier for businessmen and women to do their work from nearly anywhere in the world because they are easy to carry and have improved multiple office functions. The second conclusion is have improved people's social life as they can now interact and communicate with each other via social network and email.